In 1 minute, I'll show you how math can save lives.
So Kitty goes to the bank and says, I need money. The bank says, all right, bet. How much do you need? Kitty says, I don't know. I don't need that much. How much you got? So the bank says, all right, then we got two offers. One of $10,000 where there's a 10% interest and that's for 3 years. Or we got a $20,000 one for 6% interest for 3 years as well. He's like, oh, dang. Well, that 20,000 sounds good. I'm just going to go for that one. Well, stop. Did you use your principal times rate times time? Let's see what happens when we break that down. Because Kitty does not want to spend more interest. He just needs a small sum right now. So if we use the principal times rate times time, for the $10,000, you have to pay $3,000 extra over what you're paying. For the $20,000, you have to pay $3,600 extra. Now, it may not seem like a big difference, but remember, Kitty's only here to just collect some money. Kitty does not want to pay any extra money he doesn't have to. So in this case, Kitty's just going to choose the $10,000 loan. Now, how can this information save your life? Because you have to understand why you're taking out the loan in the first place before you go and borrow any type of money. More money does not always equal less problems. Which one would you choose? Thanks for joining. If you like questions like these, come check us out at brjourneys.com.